Videos posted online showed airport ground crew members nearly knee-deep in water, checking on parked planes. Indian media showed videos of many cars being swept away by floodwaters on the streets of Chennai. Flooding also forced the cancellation of at least 6 trains in the coastal city. State authorities issued a warning before the storm made landfall on Tuesday morning. Schools and colleges were closed, and employees were encouraged to work from home as rains began to pour down on Monday.